Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I'm just hitting here, getting ready for some New Year's Eve activities, trying to get into the New Year spirit, and just doing a little bit reflection on the year that I've had. Now, I know you probably agree with me that we've had quite a roller coaster, and fortunately and unfortunately, it's not quite over. So I figured I would just bring this look to you and just show you how I'm ringing in the new year. So if you want to learn more about this quick and easy wig lay, keep watching. I'm back again, and as you can see, I made a promise not to play in any more wigs for 2020, and I kept that promise technically. It also helps that none of my orders that I made on Black Friday are here yet. So I just want to bring one of my purchases that showed up on time from Amazon, and this is from a wig company called March Queen. So I've reviewed two different headbands for you guys on here previously. So I had a kinky textured wig, and I also had a silky straight textured wig. And I do have to say, y'all, this is right up my alley, okay? I know I said the kinky texture one was my favorite, and I do wear that one everywhere I go, whether it's to the grocery store or to the mall to pick up stuff, and it's my best friend. But I don't know, as you can see the cheese on my face right now, this might definitely be my new best friend into the new year. So this one I purchased from March Queen, and it was pretty affordable. It was under $25. I actually purchased it for about $21 on Amazon, and I was really excited to see it. Believe it or not, this is synthetic, right? I was saying the same thing. So it has this gorgeous shine, but it doesn't have that synthetic fiber sheen to it, if you know what I mean. It feels very light. I'm kind of just running my fingers through it, and I just miss curly hair. I miss curly hair. I love volume. I love length, and this is really hitting all of those high notes for me in one wig. So it starts off with, of course, the black stretchy headband with the Velcro that attaches to the back of your head. And then it has 3 combs, one in the middle and 2 on both of these sides. Now, I've already kind of expressed my gripe with these kind of wigs where they don't have a comb in the back, only because it means I have to do a little more work just to kind of make sure that it stays a little snug in the back. This is big head friendly. However, if you have a peanut shaped head, we need a little bit more reinforcement. So that might mean sewing a comb in the back if you're crafty, or just taking a couple of bobby pins and just sticking them in the pack, just to make sure that when you twist it around like a helicopter at whatever party you're going to this weekend, that it stays right in place. But besides not having a comb in the back, I love everything else about this wig. Now, I am wearing the snakeskin headband that it did come with, but you know what? I really prefer it with just the black headband. I usually wear the little complimentary headbands that it comes with because they come in little cute patterns, and this is cute too, but I don't know. I feel like because of maybe it's my look that I'm wearing and I just want that uniform black look, but the black headband in this case blends in very well with the hair. It goes right along with it. So this particular unit is 24 inches long, and it's pretty full. It's very dense, but it's not very heavy at all. It's not overwhelming, and I did try a couple of styles with it. My only complaint is I love how it looks in a ponytail, but because there's no comb in the back, I'm kind of nervous about how well it's going to hold up. But If you can secure it in the back, I still think this is a very nice and sophisticated look, guys. As you can see, I'm really feeling the beat with this one. I love how long it is. I love how curly it is. And it's just giving me that little extra oomph of sophistication. You know what I mean? I'm feeling glorious, and it literally took me, what, 3 minutes to throw on? So, pros: gorgeous, silky, soft, gorgeous shine, lovely curls, great length and fullness. Cons: if you are looking for a big head friendly wig, this is perfect for you because it's very stretchy and the Velcro is very snug. However, if you are on a little of the smaller head size, you're going to need to kind of hold it up with some bobby pins and just kind of reinforce it in the back, especially if you want to try different sizes with it. But if you're looking for something to throw on and just go, this can definitely work for the look that you're going for. So try it out. I would test out a couple of the headbands that I have in my collection with this just to see how it goes. But other than that, the black headband itself is very thick and it covers. So if you are looking for something a little more casual and you don't want to wear this headband over the headband, I think this headband on its own is very nice looking and comfortable. I pulled it back a little bit and just did a little swoop doop for you guys just to show you how it looks. But if you're concerned about showing your edges and you don't really want to show that much, of course, you can go ahead and just pull it forward a little bit and just kind of cover it up on the front of your hairline. So I'm really liking this one. And I think this is a nice way to bring in the new year without breaking the bank or taking too much time getting ready to go wherever you need to go. So that's just a quick little, wig review that I wanted to bring you guys. I hope you like it. And if there are any other headband wig companies that you think I should check out, especially for the Peanut Head gang, definitely drop down in the comments below and let me know. Once again, thank you so much for clicking play on this video. I hope you have a blessed and prosperous new year, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.